One, two, three.
Dr. Pepper.
No. You're gonna say Fanta. You're gonna say Fanta.
No, I wouldn't stop you.
Okay, guys. So today we're gonna do an American taste test with fizzy drinks, right? So basically we got some American drinks. We got like a Fanta fruit punch, a berry Fanta, root beer, which I've never tasted before. But it's basically just gonna be for these guys. Say hello, Mike.
Oh,
Greg.
Oh wait, your boy XX Grandpa.
Okay, no, shut up. Okay, and then we've got some Dr. Pepper cherry flavor, Coke vanilla, and Sprite cranberry. Basically, how taste tests work is we're gonna give them both a glass of whatever drink it is, and then they both have to drink it and guess what it is, right? At the end, we'll just tally up the points and see who's the winner.
Oh my god.
What? Okay, I didn't put a lot, obviously, because it's just a taste test. Okay. Okay, wait. Don't give me your answers until I say go. Don't smile. Don't smile at you.
I'm not. I'm about to drink.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I know.
This is Coke.
Don't say
What an
answer until I
idiot.
say.
Oh shit.
Okay. Just finish it there. Okay.
I know.
3,
You have to say it on 3, eh?
2,
1.
Coke.
Vanilla Coke.
This is Coke.
It's vanilla Coke.
Yeah, come boy, I win, you suck.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not.
You
It's
have to say
vanilla
the
Coke.
name, you idiot. Yeah, stop.
Vanilla Coke. Vanilla Coke. Next one, cherry Dr. Pepper.
Please just make sure it's the same glass, eh? Because I don't want to get Ebola.
Jeez.
Because I'm black.
2, 1.
I know.
Wow.
I don't know what this is.
I think that... Did we buy that?
Yes, we bought all the drinks we're drinking.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. You're so dumb.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Dr. Pepper.
No. You're gonna
didn't
say
even
Fanta.
say anything.
You're gonna say Fanta.
No, I wouldn't stop you.
You're gonna say Fanta. Well, no, but you still got it wrong. It's Dr. Pepper cherry. So.
What the hell? We only bought one Dr. Pepper.
You're a cherry.
No shame.
No, that's Coke. Well, that's
Okay,
No,
we
no,
bought one Coke.
yeah, so
Yeah,
Coke.
we bought one. Okay, then you should get
Okay,
it out.
but that's
no.
dumb.
It's Dr. Pepper cherry.
Because we bought flavored drinks.
No,
so.
it's
Yeah,
Dr.
so
Pepper
then you
cherry.
have to say cherry.
Okay, half a point then.
No,
No,
it's
And
not.
not
he gets
half
half
a
a point.
You don't get half a point.
Nah, what the hell?
Okay, fine. Half a point for both of you. Then are you happy?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so then no point.
Let's go.
Okay,
off.
well, it's fine, no point. At least Greg's on 0 still. Suck. You
sounds
Fanta, you snake.
You're gonna say Fanta, bruh.
How am I a snake?
Because you were like... And you stopped because you wanted to hear my answer.
It's so true, actually. Okay, here's the next one.
Why?
Here's the next one.
What's this?
Oh, yeah. Let me just tell you what it is.
If you
Okay.
smell it, I'll pluck it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you smell it first.
I never.
Drink.
What the fudge?
Okay, what is it? Go.
Fanta.
Wait.
2,
Wait!
3, 2,
Oh,
1.
Blueberry Fanta.
fruit punch. Fanta.
Blueberry Fanta.
Is it? Did I get it right?
You actually did.
Stop it. Get some help.
Useless,
Well
bro.
done.
You suck,
Well done.
bro. And I guessed that. I
Where's
didn't
your
know
hand?
shit.
Okay, let's go. That sounds so good.
I'm 3 no up. Or 2 no.
No, it's
It's 2.
2-0. Greg, you're actually useless at everything you do. Greg, stop smiling it.
Whoa.
Oh, wait.
I think I know this one.
Wait, no.
I've never tasted it in my life. Taste it.
Sam. I know what this is, I think. Come.
Okay, 3.
Root beer.
What? You said 3?
Okay, what were you gonna say?
Root beer.
I was gonna say blueberry Fanta.
Root
No,
beer.
you're wrong. It's root beer.
Get
What?
in, Gregory.
It's so nice.
Get in.
Nah, stop.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now this one I definitely know. I've had this one before.
Okay,
I was telling you,
just gonna
Cam.
get
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
blueberry Fanta.
Yes, preach. Get in. Well done.
Is it?
Yes.
But you didn't even say it. How do we
No,
know
what
what
the
you
hell,
think?
nah.
Did you
You
actually?
could- you
Did you
just
actually
agreed with me.
genuinely?
Nah,
Yes,
nah,
oh,
that's my
Okay,
response.
no, I feel like he knew what it
No,
was.
what the hell?
Nah,
That's
honestly.
unfair. Okay, I'm gonna do that as well. Yeah, preach. I would have preached.
Nah, okay, Greg.
Nah, that's unfair.
Okay, Greg, I'm gonna give you another one.
I literally
Just
knew.
you. I'm just gonna give you just
I
another
knew
one.
it
Next
was.
two flavors, he has to get them.
Yeah, actually, yeah, because you messed up. You played yourself.
Useless, you see,
Okay, let's go.
open snake.
I bet you my life. He's not gonna. I can bet you my life.
Just look up, look.
Hello.
Yeah, go for it, go for it.
I feel like he's mixing drinks.
Holy shit.
Yes, I am mixing drinks. You have
So
to get
Greg,
the
you're gonna
both
die.
of the drinks.
So he
Greg,
makes
you're gonna
2
die.
drinks.
Yeah, 2 drinks.
What the hell? You're a dog.
Yeah, you got more. You lucky.
Tastes terrible.
Does it actually?
It's decent. Yeah, I got it.
I bet you my life is wrong. Okay,
Go.
3, 2.
So, vanilla Coke and root beer.
Oh my word! What
You
a
get
boy! Yeah, he actually got it. Well done.
Now you're.
I'm a
Okay, can you not leave me hanging?
Oh, yeah, so I get.
No, it's because
so I
your
get.
nose is so big.
so I get-
it smells everything.
So I get 2 points. Get in, Greg.
I didn't say you get 2 points. You get that 1 point that you messed up.
That's what?
Yeah.
I swear you've given this stuff.
No, he hasn't.
What is it? 3.
Sprite.
Sprite, yeah. Sprite.
Okay, what's right?
Cherry.
Yeah, cherry.
No, you're wrong.
Raspberry.
No.
Mixed berry.
Mixed berry. What the hell's mixed berry?
Is that the last
Cranberry.
one?
Cranberry.
Okay,
Is
yeah,
that the
but
last
you
one?
got a cranberry. Yeah, you got cranberry, but it's not. So wait,
Right.
the scores are tied 2-2.
It's Sprite.
No,
It's
I won
3-3.
3-2.
I won. What
No.
are you saying? It's 3-3.
No.
How did you win if
You don't know how to count.
I got Sprite. Come on, that's 3-3.
No, I also said Sprite. What's wrong?
Yeah, but he did get cranberry. Maybe we just give it to
No.
him.
Okay, he had 5 billion tries. I'm gonna say
try.
every flavor: grape, orange, flipping strawberry.
Okay, no.
cranberry.
Just to make it interesting, let's just say it's 3-3. Actually, no. I'm gonna give a bonus round, right?
That was
And the
gone.
bonus round, yeah, I'm gonna put a mixed 2 drink, and whoever gets it gets 2 points, and then they win,
With a
basically.
mixed 2 drink.
Oh, I just want this video to end.
What a knob. Mark, can you take a guess what?
Oh, God, I know this.
Dude, I can't taste anything. My nose is blocked. I'm not even.
Use your tongue, not your
You
mouth.
use your,
I mean, what?
you know your
Oh my
taste
God.
buds.
Oh my god. Okay, block your nose. You won't taste anything. I bet you, mama.
Okay, let's do this.
Please, be honest. Then when you unplug
Okay,
your
wait.
taste. Yeah, I told you.
Did you say unplug your taste buds?
Oh, I said unplug it from your nose, you idiot.
My goodness.
Yes, what's wrong?
Is it a wireless game?
Release your fingers.
3, 2, 1.
Fanta one, baby.
Fanta flipping.
It's a blue
blue
Shh,
Fanta.
wait.
It's the blue Fanta
Yeah.
with... Sure, Jesus. With the... Fanta that's like orange green. I don't... What's
Oh,
orange
wait.
red?
Okay, I said fruit punch, Fanta.
Yeah, what he
with
said.
Sprite, cranberry.
Okay, Greg got it right. So Greg wins.
He didn't even say the last one.
Yeah,
he just
he
said
did.
pink.
Yeah, but he knew what it was.
Mine's a good.
Oh, okay, I knew what the Dr. Pepper was. That's wrong. No, that's unfair.
That's
That's so unfair.
You saw it, yeah.
It's
Gregory
fine.
won.
Your mom.
Okay, thanks guys for watching. If you did enjoy, please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, share the video with your friends.
This is a clown.
Thanks guys for watching.
I like
Peace.
girls, he's single.
What's wrong?
Peace.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah.
And this was his first game on his birthday. Literally, this was his first game that we played together, and this was on his birthday. I don't want to spoil it too much, so let's just get into the clip.
Dad, do you have a jump pad?
Tell him to
Anyone have
jump
a
there. Tell him to jump there.
Luca, do you have a jump pad?
Yeah, jump here, Dad.
Yeah,
Jump
okay.
here. Jump. Come.
Nah, I
Come
don't
in.
have to
Come
have a
in.
jump pad.